In this video, I'll show you how to create kids' nursery rhyme videos using AI tools. So, let's get started. Kids' nursery rhymes are one of the most popular content categories on YouTube, with many videos reaching millions and even billions of views. The good news is that you can create similar videos using free AI tools without any animation or music production experience. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate nursery rhyme video ideas. For example, you can use a prompt like, "Give me 50 nursery rhyme video ideas for a kid's YouTube channel." ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of topics that you can use for future videos. Once you've chosen a topic, ask ChatGPT to write a nursery rhyme about it. For example, if your topic is ABC Alphabet Train Song, simply ask ChatGPT to create a rhyme based on that idea. Within seconds, you'll have a complete rhyme ready for your video. Next, we'll turn the rhyme into a song. Open your web browser and search for Suno AI. Create an account or sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, paste the lyrics generated by ChatGPT, give your song a title, choose a style such as kids, and click Create.
I'm aboard the alphabet train. Come aboard the alphabet train. Choo choo choo, let's sing again. A is for apple, shiny and red. Little head. C is for cat, saying.
After the song is generated, listen to it, choose your favorite version, and download it as an MP3 file. Now it's time to create the visuals. Return to ChatGPT and ask it to generate detailed scene prompts for each line of your nursery rhyme, including animation prompts for every scene. Next, open Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. Go to the Create section, paste each prompt generated by ChatGPT, and generate the animated video clips. Repeat this process until you have a clip for every scene of your nursery rhyme. Once all your clips are ready, open Wondershare Filmora or your preferred video editor and create a new project. Import the downloaded song and all of the video clips. Place the song on the timeline first, then arrange the video clips so they match the lyrics and timing of the music. Add transitions, text, or simple effects to make your video more engaging. Finally, preview your video, make any final adjustments, and export it in your preferred resolution. And that's how you can create kids' nursery rhyme videos using AI tools.